Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to report three topics. The first is management information system, and the second is transaction processing system, and the last is decision support system. So, first is we're going to discuss the management information system. So management information system is commonly referred as MIS, is a phrase consisting of three words. We have management information system. No, I mean management, information, and system. So looking at these three words, it is easy to define management information system, a system that provide information to management. So that is a simple definition of MIS that generally sums of what a management information system is and what it should do. However, its role and impact on the smooth operations of a company can never be makes use of these systems in one way or another. So the reason why management information systems are very important in the day-to-day operation of companies is because this system work with people, organizations, technology, and relationships among the people and organization affecting the company. So this means that when properly implemented, management information system will help achieve a high level of efficiency in a company's management information. So the management information systems is one of out of several information systems that are used in business. So to better understand management information system, let's look at the different types of information system available in business. So I have here we will have the transaction processing system, decision support system, information system, management information system, of course. So we have in transaction processing system, the system have been designed to collect, process, and store transactions that occur in a day-to-day operations of a company. And then the decision support system. This system help decision makers to make the best decisions by generating statistical projections from analyzed data. And although it does not eliminate the need for the manager's judgment, significantly improve the quality of the decision by offering forecasts that help determine the best source of actions. So, executive information system, also known as executive support system. Then, this is a total that provides quick access to summarize reports coming from all company levels and departments such as accounting, human resources, and operation. So the last is management information system. So this system make use of information technology to help managers ensure a smooth and efficient running of the organizations. So I have here the examples of management information systems. We have bank information system, railways information system, educational information system. So aside from that, we will have also those companies that use MIS or management information systems. We have Dell company, the IBM company, the Toshiba company. Because Dell company, this direct business model eliminates retailers that add unnecessary time and cost or who can diminish Dell's understanding of customers' expectation. So with the IBM company, a joint hierarchical database and information management system with extensive transaction and processing capabilities. And in Toshiba company, they developed an environmental management information system in order to collect and manage environmental data required to promote environmental management. So therefore, MIS are made for speedy access to accurate data and to help the manager achieve their goals. So management information system or MIS is so useful in the organization which it creates an impact on the organization's performance, functions, and of course, productivity. And in an organization's manager has to take decision and manage information system is a good help to support them in making decision by providing information at various stage of decision making. So the next topic is the transaction processing systems or TPS. So a transaction processing system is a set of information which process the data transaction in database system that monitor transaction programs. So TPS also is a software that keeps track of transaction by processing the data in an online recording system. So there is a types of processing system. We have batch processing, real-time processing. In batch processing, they process several transactions at the same time with a time delay, while the real-time processing deals with one transactions at the same time with deals with one transaction just at a time and does not have a time delay. So there is the difference between two. So examples of transaction processing is that the TPS accumulates data about functions and also initiates processing the transaction store data. So example is include ordering processing, employee records, and hotel reservation system. So another example is that of a sporting event ticket, while the customer is filling out their information to purchase the set ticket, the transaction processing system is holding the ticket so that another customers cannot also buy it. And it is also allowed for a ticket not to be sold to the two different of customers. So therefore, a transaction processing system is an infotech used to accumulate, store, modify, and retrieve unique response to user requirements, although planning to choose the most appropriate method relies heavily on the quantity of data and the type of business. So the last topic is decision support system. So in decision support system is a computer-based information system that support business or organizational decision-making activities. So a properly designed DSS or decision support system is an interactive software-based system intended to help decision makers compile useful information from raw data, documents, personal knowledge, and our business models to identify and solve problems and make decisions. So the first important aspects of DSS is that they provide information which are used in the decision-making process. So the emphasis here is not on the quality of information but rather the quality. So there are multiple factors that qualify information as having a good quality, such as the timeliness, the relevance, the accurateness, consistency, and unbiased, and so far. So, but the important considerations factor is how information is used to order to attain a certain goal. So there are many types of decision system, but I have here only 5, but I think there is 2, but I didn't add it. So I have here the data-driven DSS, the model-driven, the knowledge-driven, document-driven, and communication-driven. I forgot the 2, but never mind. So first is data-driven DSS. So this DSS has a file drawer systems, data analysis systems, analysis information systems, data warehousing, and emphasize access to and manipulations of large database of structured data. So the next is model driven. So an underlying model, the drives the DSS can come from the various disciplines or areas of specialty and might include accounting models, financial models, representation models, optimization models, etc. With model-driven DSS, the emphasis is on access to and manipulate of the model rather than data. So the third is knowledge-driven. This system provides them recommendations and or suggestions scheme which aids the user in selecting the appropriate alternatives to a problem at hand. Knowledge-driven DSS are often referred to as management experts or intelligent decision support system. So they focus on knowledge and recommends actions to managers based on the analysis of a certain knowledge base. So next is document driven. So this system help managers retrieve and manage unstructured documents and web pages by integrating a variety of storage and processing technologies to provide complete documents retrieval and analysis. So it is also access documents such as the company retrieval analysis. I mean it is also specifications, catalogs, corporate, historical documents, minutes of meetings, important correspondence, and then corporate records, and etc. And are usually driven by a task-specific search engine. And the last is communication driven. So this breed of DSS is often called Group Decision Support System or GDSS. So they are the special type of hybrid DSS that emphasizes the use of communications and decision models intended to facilitate the solution of problems by decision makers working together as a group. So GDSS supports electronic communication, scheduling, documents, sharing, and other groups' productivity and decision-enhancing activities and involves technologies such as two-way, interactive video, bulletins, boards, email, etc. So the examples of the DSS is a national online bookseller wants to begin selling its product international, but first need to determine if what will be a wise business decision. So the vendor can use a DSS to gather information from its own resources to expand its business and to gather the own resources to determine if the company has the ability or potential ability to expand its business, and also external resources such as industry to determine if there is ended a demand to meet. And then the DSS will collect the analysis and data and then present it way that can be interpreted by humans. So some decision support system can very close to acting as artificial intelligence agents or AI. So therefore, the design methodology for decision support system provides the foundations on how the system fits into the operations of the firm and how it can enhance quality decision for managers. This area of analysis, designs, and implementation should be viewed in the almost a superstitious awe, and since failure to produce the right systems can lead to more damage than good if managers are unaware of an implicit logical layout of their systems. So, however, decision support system remains a tool that can provide firms with a sustainable competitive advantage, and in many industries, our robust decision support systems are the rule rather than expectations. So that's my three topics, and I hope I explained it well, and you can understand my topics also. So thank you for watching, and God bless.